Hey guys, are you looking to build a stronger, more sculpted chest without the need for any weights? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best chest exercises you can do anywhere no weights required. These exercises will target your chest, increase strength, and give you those toned, defined muscles you've always wanted. Plus, they're perfect for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. So whether you're at home, at the gym, or on the go, you don't need any fancy equipment, just your body and some dedication. Stick around until the end, because we've got a killer workout lineup, and you'll discover a few chest exercises that might surprise you. Let's dive in. 1. Push-ups. If there's one chest exercise everyone has heard of, it's the push-up. But don't be fooled into thinking it's just for beginners. Push-ups are a powerhouse move that, when done correctly, can transform your chest. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro, push-ups will target your pectorals and help you develop strength and muscle definition. Now, let's break it down. Start by getting into a high plank position with your hands placed just slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your core tight and make sure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. No sagging or sticking your booty up. Lower yourself down slowly, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body, and push yourself back up. Focus on controlled movements and try to go for depth by getting your chest as close to the ground as possible. This is where the magic happens. Pro tip: if regular push-ups are too hard at first, feel free to modify by dropping your knees to the ground. You'll still get great chest activation, and over time, you'll build strength to go back to the full push-up. 2. Incline push-ups. Next up is the incline push-up, a fantastic variation that focuses more on your upper chest and shoulders. This move is perfect for those looking to develop a balanced, proportionate chest. To do an incline push-up, find an elevated surface like a bench, a chair, or even a sturdy table. Place your hands on the surface, keeping them slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, lower yourself toward the surface, and just like the standard push-up, keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Push back up, focusing on squeezing the upper portion of your chest. You'll feel this hit your clavicular head, that's the upper part of the pectoral muscle. Why it's great? Incline push-ups are perfect for anyone looking to build a full chest without the need for heavy weights. Plus, it's easier on your wrists and shoulders than some other variations, making it an excellent option for beginners. 3. Decline push-ups. Looking to build that chiseled lower chest? You need to add decline push-ups to your routine. This variation targets the lower part of your pectorals and is an excellent way to create more chest definition. For decline push-ups, place your feet on an elevated surface, such as a bench, chair, or even a couch, and get into the standard push-up position. This time, with your feet higher than your hands, you'll be able to engage the lower chest muscles more effectively. When you lower yourself, keep your body in a straight line and don't let your hips sag. Push yourself back up, making sure to press through your hands and really squeeze your chest at the top of the movement. Pro tip: the higher your feet, the more intense the exercise will be. So start with a low incline and work your way up as you get stronger. 4. Chest dips. Let's take it up a notch with chest dips. This one is incredibly effective for building your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you have access to parallel bars or even sturdy chairs, you can do this exercise with minimal equipment. To get started, place your hands on the bars or the edges of 2 chairs, making sure they're shoulder width apart. With your legs extended out in front of you, lower your body by bending your elbows. Your elbow should go backward, not out to the side, to ensure you're hitting your chest effectively. Go as deep as you can, and then push yourself back up to the starting position. Why it works? Chest dips are perfect for targeting the lower chest and triceps, especially if you lean forward slightly during the movement. As you get stronger, you can add weight by wearing a backpack or holding a weight plate between your legs. 5. Diamond push-ups. If you're looking for a move that hits the inner chest and really helps develop that chiseled look, diamond push-ups are a must. These push-ups are also a great challenge as they require extra stability and control. To perform a diamond push-up, place your hands close together beneath your chest, forming a diamond shape with your fingers and thumbs. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and lower yourself down, making sure your elbows are close to your sides. When you push back up, focus on squeezing the chest at the top. Pro tip: this exercise may be challenging at first, so if you need to, modify by performing the push-ups on your knees. With time, you'll build the strength to do the full version. 6. Wide grip push-ups. If you're trying to widen your chest and improve overall definition, wide grip push-ups are exactly what you need. This variation shifts the focus to the outer pectorals, helping to give your chest that full, expansive look. To perform a wide grip push-up, place your hands much wider than shoulder width apart. The wider hand placement will activate more of the chest muscles and less of the triceps, which is exactly what we want for building the outer chest. Lower your body until your chest is nearly touching the ground, then push yourself back up. Why it's great: wide grip push-ups are amazing for anyone who wants to get that broad, muscular chest, especially if you want to improve your physique without any weights. 7. The chest squeeze push-up. Now, here's a super interesting exercise, the chest squeeze push-up. This move combines the push-up with a squeeze to increase muscle activation and growth in the chest. Start by getting into a push-up position, but this time, place your palms closer together. As you lower your body, focus on squeezing your hands together as if you were trying to touch your palms in the middle. This squeeze will intensify the chest contraction and help you activate the inner pectorals. As you push back up, keep the squeeze going and feel the chest muscles working overtime. This is an excellent move to engage the full chest. So there you have it. The best chest exercises without weights. That will help you get stronger, build muscle, and improve your overall chest definition. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, these exercises can be done anytime, anywhere, and with no equipment needed. Make sure to implement these movements into your weekly routine, and don't forget to push yourself. Consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll see those chest muscles growing and toning up in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our fitness tips and tricks. Drop a comment below with your favorite chest exercise and tell us which one you're going to try first. Until next time, stay strong, stay fit, and keep pushing yourself to reach those goals.